Um,
Okay, today we are going to demonstrate experiment on air resistance. So right now I have 4 objects over here. We have laminated sheet, A4 size. We have paper, also A4 size. And I have a book, also A4 size. And finally, I have a blue pen. Okay, so right now we are going to drop these objects to the ground from the same height and see which one would reach the ground first. Okay, so I have a laminated sheet as well as a glue pen. So you can predict first before I actually release these items. So I have the laminated sheet, okay, and the glue pen. Which one reached the ground first? Which one? Tell me. Okay, you will predict because the glue pen is heavier and more massive compared to the paper, and that's why it reached the ground first and see whether it is true. Yes, it is. Okay, so because this one is massive, okay, this one is lighter, and that's why it reached the ground later. Okay. Well, then you might argue, is it because of the air resistance? Okay. So let's try to use another kind of method to drop. Okay, instead of dropping horizontally, what about if I am making it vertically? Okay, put the paper in this direction and drop together and see whether they will, okay, have the same result as the previous experiment. So this is the laminated sheet in a vertical position, and this is the glue pen. 3, 2, 1. Same time. Exactly the same time. Why? Tell me why. Now, then, we are trying to compare 2 pieces of paper. Now, piece of paper, okay, so they should be of the same mass. Okay, isn't it? Same mass? And what we are trying to do is that we are going to wrap it and make it a paper ball. And of course, think about that. Which one is more massive? Which one? Well, they are the same mass because it is from the same A4 paper. So which one reached the ground first? Okay, this one, okay, you can see having a huge surface area, and this one, right now they are of same mass. It is not like the glue and the laminated sheet, they're having different mass. So see which one would fall and reach the ground first. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, can you see? Okay, right now we are doing something special. Now, if we argue it is because of the surface area, so what about dropping a book? Now, this is also A4 size. Can you see? This book, A4 size. So, same size, and we are going to drop and fold these items together and see which one reached the ground first. They should reach the ground at the same time, right? Because this one and this one having same surface area right now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You see? Okay, so basically the book reached the ground first. What happened? Okay, now we do something very special, okay, and it is to use the book to cover the A4 size paper. Okay, think about what happened. Okay, I think even kindergarten students can imagine. If I drop, what happened? Okay, because I used the book to cover the paper, so in no way it could fall like that. Okay, so let's see whether it is correct. 3, 2, 1. Oh, so boring. Okay, of course. Now, finally, this one is not that intuitive, as you can imagine. I'm going to use the book as the bottom object and to put the paper on top of the book. Now, you predict what happened. Is it like the book would drop and the paper go like this? Or what? Okay, let's see. Okay, now the paper is on top. Okay, I did not stick anything on the book. And in 3, 2, 1. Wow. Can you see? It reached the ground at the same time. Do you want to look at the game? Okay, look at the book and the paper on top and release. It reached the ground at the same time. Now, comment in the comment section below. Tell me why would they reach the ground at the same time. Have a very nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.